I got this one of those things. Oh, bless you. Get this. You're a good boy. Get this bag of toys on me. Play out this. It's like a parasol. Beautifully bamboo. This room. Then there's Sophie. Please, Sophie, Friday. Guys, I'm going to see. See you. How are the way? I'm going to drink their soup. Oh my God. Oops. Last week, on Sunday, Stan, I got to leave early. Get to see you. Come on. There you go. You got to see. There you go. I see you. See you later. That's Sunday. Last week. Get the fish for brothers. I see you. I do too. Oh, he's good. We got to leave for see that little talk. Oh, you're cold. Like a drinking skunk.
Hey, Skylar! Yes, you! Yeah, come here, Skylar!
My little cutie back. Skylar, you're a cutie pop.
You're the cutie pie, Skylar!
How you doing, Skylar? Thank you, very good job. You guys put your dad in the
Skylar, I got a question for you. How do you make this world a better place?
Did you like birdies? Very good. Oh, the creek out both ways. Oh, the trolley person creek out both ways. Would you like Skylar? Would you like a kiss? There you go. Thought if you're both the baddest rolling creek or something. I'm not a dino.
What'd you say, Skylar? You're not a what? Why, thank you! Love you to the moon and back, too! You love your food, Skylar? Yeah, love you too! Love me to the what? Oh, am I your little cutie pie? Oh, love you too! Yes, it is a good day. You'd say it's a sunny day.
There you go, there's Skylar. It's the opportunities. Like there's some food. You must want to go see if we can join us too. I know the two. Oh, I can join them. It is the...
Did you do a good job? Oh, what was that? Was that another bird? What do you say to the other bird?
Oh, there you go. Good to see you.
Yeah, it's good to see you too. Good afternoon. Where you go? Oh, there you are.
There you go, Skylar.
Now you're at the bird bath. You want to go take a birdie bath?
Oh, have a good kid. I'll see you, birdie bird. It's good to see you. I'll see you there. I'll see you. Enjoy the good bath.
What are you?
Love you. What you doing? Birdie.
Skylar, what's so funny? What's so funny? Yeah. What website was that, Skylar.org? Is that your own website? How does that go again? Oh, what was that? Uh-oh. There's Sunny. She wants to take the spotlight.
You got to be passing the tag. There's there's some big hot. Singing. Okay. But that's right. Okay, stop that.
Hello, Sunny. Haven't seen you up this close that much.